Hi guys, welcome to US Educate Academy. Thanks for connecting with us. Today in this video, we are going to see the top 5 best Google Chrome extension in 2022. And this is a complete tutorial so you guys can analyze the best Google Chrome extension in 2022, and these extensions links are in the description box below. So now let's jump into it. So now, as first extension in the world or in 2022, I will suggest as the best extension is Vapalizer. And Vapalizer, by the way, is a great extension. So I'll show you. This is the Vapalizer. So you guys can simply proceed to the link below and you guys can download this extension. And this is a 100% free tool. So what is the purpose of this? Is you can simply proceed to any type of website like the Verge, and this is the Vapalizer extension. This is the extension. So you guys can simply click this extension and you guys can see the web technologies used by this website. So this is a 100% helpful tool to developers and many more people. And the second best Google Chrome extension is SimilarWeb. And the SimilarWeb is also a great Google Chrome extension, and SimilarWeb is also 100% free. So this is the SimilarWeb extension, and this is highly featured, a great item. You want to use it. So the feature or function of SimilarWeb is that you can simply see all the web traffic or the traffic acquisition from where and from how, or the monthly visit. So this is a free tool which will calculate the monthly visit. So you guys can see for the Verge website, the monthly visit for October month is 34.1 million. So you guys can analyze the global rank of this website and the country rank and the category rank of this website. So the most number of countries visiting this website is United States, United Kingdom, Canada, India and Australia. And you guys can simply see the traffic sources or the traffic acquisition. So you guys can simply do digital research from these two plugins if you are developers or website owners. And the third best plugin in 2022 is WhatFont. So what is WhatFont? So WhatFont is a simple and a best looking Google Chrome extension. So this is WhatFont. So this extension is a great extension where it allows us to find all the available text formats. So now I will show you the best demo of this. So this is the WhatFont extension. So you guys can simply hover and this says me as WhatFont. So reload the tab. So now I'm going to reload it. So now I'm going to simply press this. So I'll show you the exact feature of this extension. So you guys can see this says me the font name of this text. So you guys can see this is FK Roman Standard and this is Poly Sans. So you guys can simply click and you guys can copy this name and you guys can use for your own website in order to beautify your website. And this is also yet again a best extension in 2022. So let's see the fourth best Google Chrome extension in 2022, and I will regard it as Grammarly. And by the way, Grammarly is a great extension and very popular these days. So Grammarly is a great extension. So you guys can simply see all the Grammarly extension here. So I'm going to proceed to my extension and I'll show you about the Grammarly. And this is the Grammarly, and using this plugin you can simply check your grammars and plagiarism and communication skills and punctuation errors, or this will detect all the type of grammar issues in your cold emails or many more blog post features. So if you are a blog website owner or a email marketer, you can simply use this plugin in order to correct or rectify all of your mistakes in the typing and in the grammar field. So this is the fourth best extension in the world, and the fifth best extension is ColorZilla. And ColorZilla, by the way, is a great extension. So you can get all the hexadecimal code in a website. So you guys can simply see, I'll show you the exact demo of this. So this is the ColorZilla extension. So I have turned it on. So you guys can simply press this and you guys can simply hover on any type of color in order to identify the color code. So I'll show you a demo of this. So my bar is working. So you guys can simply select if you want to get the code of this purple color. You guys can simply take this arrow up to here and you guys can simply click here. So it says me as color code is copied. So now I'll show you the color code. So the copied color code is here. So as you guys can see, my color code is successfully copied. So this is also a great extension in 2022. So you guys can simply download this extension. So I have placed a link below, so you guys can proceed to that link and you guys can download this extension for 100% free. And that's it for this video. Please like, share and subscribe US Educate Academy YouTube channel for more video tutorials like this. See you in the next one.